right there. You go to your knee and then step down. When you go back, then you go back. When you go back with it? Oh.
Video!
Bye-bye!
You guys are the champions! What's your thoughts on here, Joe?
I don't want to go. But colored, like the B-boys and B-girls. So bad.
Yeah, guys. Yo, Chris, where we at?
I'm not Chris.
Joe? Joe? What time is it, Joe?
What time? The time is 19 past 5 in the morning. And now we're going back to the hotel. Just freshen up maybe, get our stuff, and go straight to the airport to go to the next place, Cebu.
Chris here is packing. Look what you got, man. Yeah.
Unexpected.
I think we got it, right? Put our back on. Bye.
Party all the time? Oh wow.
Where are we off to?
We're off to Cebu. And it's 7:01.
She snatched you? You know, right?
Yung lights na gano'n lalagay.
That's Moose.
Moose.
Oo.
We're on tour right now. Dance tour.
Aba, hindi, ano yan? Bakit siya lang?
What are you expecting for Cebu?
Well, I'm expecting something better than Bacolod, but I don't know if they can top that up.
What are you expecting in Cebu?
More action. Hopefully, like it'll be like the other cities we've been to. Really motivated, or maybe even better. I want to see what city has the best. Expecting some dope things.
Damn, we're at a car.
Ito na lang mother sa
forward. Salamat kayo sa magtawag ha. Salamat, bye! Hi, Malasay, 9:52. Balik Akala.
So what happened?
We don't know. We went to sleep for 5 hours. Oh man.
We're in the Citadel Suites. We're meeting with hook up with
Who?
Ameno.
From Gangnam Style.
Yeah, out of Cebu, baby, representing.
And some people from the south over. We also have our practice at Manganilias Plaza. Yeah, here at Jollibee. Very nice.
Actually, we got B-boys from the south and the north, but they can't come today because they have financial problem. They don't have money. They don't have fares.
Very far from the city. They're gonna spend maybe 100 back and forth. And 100. And huge money,
100 pesos like this.
They can have that one. It's not easy to have that one. There in Cebu. It's very hard to find.
Maybe tomorrow they'll show up.
Yeah. They're trying. They're trying. Food.
I know.
Nice.
Up there? Mag-sky video break?
Let's do music video on here.
Dili ba? What else?
We're here. And then we're gonna go down again.
Oh shit. Every floor dog. Oh, swimming pool, see? Shit. Oh. I teach you how to be macho man today and shit. You gotta bounce like this when you walk. Pupunta ka doon ng private. Ano ka? Di ba?
Yun, wala pa.
Not all people knows about hip hop. If you dance modern, then some of them call hip hop. That's hip hop, yo. So they don't know what's really hip hop. For us, we dig down about hip hop. That's why.
So, what made you take this class? Why are you taking this class?
I want to learn some footwork and foundation.
Hey, don't you press the up button?
Tutulong kami sa inyong sayaw. Salamat sa kay Chris kami na kami dito. Kaya pati kay Josh. Mag-share ako sa inyo ng knowledge na nakuha ko, napag-aralan ko sa ibang bansa. So, bali, alam ko, ilan taon na kayo nagsasayaw?
Ako almost 3 years.
Exercising. Stretching.
top rocks, we rock the beat. In b-boying, it's always the 2s and 4s.
Yo, stay awake.
We're gonna get some food. Just finish the session and need to eat, get some energy, and maybe party. That's what. Another one?
This one, skin.
12.
12. 45.
45. What about homie?
So how do you feel about the new image and the Legacy 6 Legacy Tour coming here to Cebu?
Yeah.
How do you... Thumbs up.
Even though I'm late, but still, you can see the people, they're masaya sila na nandito kayo. Super. Thumbs up talaga.
I heard you're rich now, brother.
Hindi, ikaw ang rich.
Rich ng ano?
Rich sa b-boy.
Rich with love? Rich with love?
Ito ang idol ko talaga, si Mount. Walang kayabang-yabang.
Only
Simple lang, simple lang.
Anything, yo, any, like, even if you think it's silly, just ask anyway. Because it's gonna, like, and it challenges me to learn. If I don't know the answer, I'll find it myself too, you know?
Oh, documented.
No, I don't want to carry it.
While you're buying the...
Yeah, man. This is unnecessary. I need this.
13 pesos.
Just in case. 13 pesos.
Yeah.
You know,
Nature Spring.
You know, this and loads of water.
20 pesos each.
Yeah, man.
They chose it too.
Bay, tawagin ko bay, kasi ka number bay. Dala ko sila sa kwan.
I'll pick a picture later. So what's up with this, man? What's up?
Just getting some B-roll footage, so see what's up, see how people live.
Oh, so G.
What's up?
What, my picture?
Yeah.
No, that's the jumper we did.
Welcome po. Welcome sa Spotlight po.
What's up?
Okay.
Let's do it right here again.
Dito kami para matulog sa inyo na b-boying, knowledge.
The things we listen to, the beats, breaks, beats, whatever you want to call it. And that's where the name of b-boy.
Positively, you know? The only thing that we do, like, they think it's wrong for their eyes the way we dress.
Okay. They just think because you look sort of like, I don't know, downtown thuggish, that they think you're gonna be like that.
Yeah, but yeah, that's why we're trying to change everyone's mind about that.
But also for the reverse for us.
So like these chords is really, really important. Like, I mean, I'm not saying don't do power or tricks or anything, but if you don't have footwork, then it's hard to consider, you know? Like, it's really, really big, really important. Something you should work on. Like, you want to make it look as nice as possible. You want to, like, all these little combinations, practice it, and switch it up, turn it into your own.
Some of the society here in Cebu, if you tell them about breakdancing, they get negative thinking. They said, oh, you're gonna break your bones. No, that's why most of the students here prefer hip hop.
Yeah,
because they're afraid of getting hurt. But I tell them that it's foundation. It is the foundation how to dance, the art form.
Yeah.
And that's why the boy is, I think he started 2010 in last summer until now, and the girls started 2010 until now. Lily and Vince.
But it's good that you're spreading the art out here because it's like a baby right now.
Yeah.
And that's the more you spread it, the more it's gonna grow.
Yeah.
And that's what basically why I come, because I want to see it grow.
Yeah.
And it's through the help of people like you guys here, and you know, spreading the love and about the dance, because it's not really just a dance, it's an art form also.
It's an art form.
A way of living too.
Yeah.
And then when you reach in like this, you're gonna catch your knee, your left knee, with your left hand.
It's been a good workshop. Yeah, thank you, Cebu City.
Bye. Thank you. Bye. Thank you.
We'll get in touch.
Jollibee, baby.
Ay, 5 today.
So Joe, what do you think about today's workshop?
It was really good. A lot of students. It was hot. Sweated like no tomorrow. And it was fun.
And what are you eating now? Yeah. Yeah. Alright.
With the prayer, my mind.
After the food and after the food. Yeah.
What is case ba? Case of Cindy.
That was the day. It's a wrap.
What's up? We're here in Cebu bus terminal. It's fucking knocked out. Yo! F-word knocked out. We had a dope workshop. A lot of people came out and we're about to go get some food at Yo's Place.
Naga. In Naga, I think.
In Naga, I think.
No casting?
No heart? Heartless?
Guys. Wala. 30.
Bro, yo. You want some
Party bus!
Oh, I'm gonna squeeze the back there.
For real?
Yeah.
It's freaking tight, yo. This is my jam right here. This is my jam. One more in the book. One more in the book.
Kasi masikip na. Ah, masikip. Loton.
Party bus! Party bus. Yeah, drinks are on the house.
You need na helmet.
Where we at, yo?
Welcome to my town, yo. This is Naga.
It's okay.
Oh yeah.
It's more fun in the Philippines.
Yeah, it's crazy. Damn crazy. They sleep at 8 in the morning.
Yeah.
Wow.
Okay, welcome to my...
Yeah, this is the crib, yo. Yeah. You're very welcome.
Open niya, pare.
Wait, so
Where's Joe?
yo, where are we at?
He's on the handling bar.
We're in Naga. We're in Naga City.
And what about?
Moose is already a peanut. Don't need to
the hair moose.
Sit down. Yo, Moosey, throw his hair already. Bro.
come to Cebu. Dude, your hair's falling off. Dude, your hair's falling off.
I'm balding already.
Video.
Come on, Joe. Love you. It's only gay if he touched the tip, man.
Sweet bread, man. Not bad.
Ano, saan ka matutulog?
Calling someone. B-boy Bochoy, you know?
How much will you buy?
Yeah. Oh, Nanami Sanaga.
Yun lang yung
Kaya paano tayo sa kanya? Not yet. You see as a pastime. You're not doing anything.
It's small.
So Joe, what are you getting me now?
Get some Cebu bakery.
Gawin natin yan.
Cebu bakery.
Some grub.
Bakery, yo. Ate, ito
Some grub.
sa akin, te.
You still have? Okay.
Dalawa.
I will talk. We here in Naga, together with our friend, our famous guy here, People Mouse.
Why didn't you bring your camera?
I didn't bring my camera because it's really dangerous. As you can see, this is a corner of Naga City, Cebu. It's kind of dark, silent place. That's all. But we're happy because this guy here, we're going home later. And we are very fortunate that we have this guy here visiting us here in Cebu.
Then, first time I saw Reveal, and then Gabriel was there, and then luckily I found Mouse, yo. And then those people really inspires me also. But way back, Battle Crew, and B-Boy Stretch, IE. I forgot those two, the Taguro team. I forgot those names. But these are the people who really educate me.
There are about 70 cars left in California.